not even that long.
Look pretty low to me. Do the flippy. Oh my god, that's so cute.
It's about to be yellow as fuck outside.
Hell yeah, it's spring. Pollen and shit. I haven't even really seen pollen anywhere.
Oh, it's not gonna happen. Give it like another week, bro.
Yeah, probably.
Probably get like 2 of those. Just have one.
So, yeah. Alright, the happy Miata is getting an oil change.
This shit's not happy.
Yeah, I mean you could feel it. See, I mean I got it on the best I could. So. Yep.
God damn. Since when did this side become higher?
I don't know.
Gotta make sure it's
Yeah. Looks good. Whoa. They look like Mr. Krabs. Well, I guess we could check your rust. It looks like it's about to eat me.
It does get hungry. It can barely get out. So I got a leak.
Yeah, I was about to say it's
Like crazy.
pretty oily. I mean, other than that and scraping.
Well, yeah, look. It's oil. Smell that going down the street.
Ain't bad.
Right. Yeah. I don't know where this leak's coming
Hey,
from.
you need to hey, I'm gonna need this off you though.
Need what?
That right there.
Oh.
I need money.
Bro, it's crazy. It fucking unbolts. Like.
Nigga, what? No. No, what is no, bro?
Oh man, I don't
Bro.
know. I don't know.
How are you gonna get the rack out if you nigga,
Bro, what are you talking about?
Right.
No,
Bro.
I pulled this.
Just slightly. There you go.
Nigga act like I don't change my own oil.
Hey, you never know.
I don't.
You might be like them Ultima girls. They just be driving.
Bro, what if this shit got no oil in it?
But I mean, we were smelling oil burning, so you know, when you smell it, it's there. That shit.
That shit like your t-shirt. Nigga, fuck you, polo. Weak ass.
Hold on. Oh.
Weak ass nigga, bro.
Oh.
This nigga in his polo. Yeah, I got this shit on.
Hey, bro. Got that polo, bro.
Look, let's get out of here, bro.
Yeah, everything else looks pretty straight other than
Other than alternators. And, bro, we don't talk about that.
yeah, I mean, alternator and the seals that need to be replaced, but yeah, belts
bro,
are fun.
AC leak like crazy, bro.
Yeah,
That's why I need that compressor. Why don't you have AC, bro? It leaks.
Well,
Look at, bro. God damn.
yo, that shit green. What coilovers do you have? Also, that boot is kind of fucked up.
Bro, all the boots are cooked on these, bro. It's time for new ones, really.
The hardest part of a Miata oil change.
Getting the fucking filter off. Genuinely, bro. Why the fuck is it all the way up in here?
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw your hand kind of like jiggled.
You want to see something else jiggle?
No.
It's not what you said when you got behind me, though.
Bro, what?
Yeah, he be doing freaky shit when the camera off.
Hell no. I'm a cool nigga. I'm like Penn. I'm a cool nigga, bro.
Bro's Freak McGee the third.
What the fuck? Yo, boot for the.
We don't talk about shit underneath this car, bro.
Hey, you just getting exposed.
White shirt is crazy.
Insane. Watch this shit still be white.
Oh, you clean with
That
it?
shit not already white. I see smudge all on it.
What you talking about, bro? I'll fucking get you, bro.
That's crazy.
I got 4 in hand.
Hey, bruh, them Facebook people are not it, bruh. Like, unless I mean, there's some chill ones, but most of the time,
Weird.
yeah, they're weird. Or you dealing with like,
bro.
yeah, dealing with bums.
Definitely,
Definitely.
Got it, Carlos. Hey, drive slow. I said drive slow.
I'll put this shit back over the air and just clean off of like this shit. Going up. Is that going up? I'm about to spray the shit. You're gonna want to move. Bro.
Yeah, I'm about to move. Really? The only rust that I really see is like.
It's literally here.
Yeah, I was about to say. Is that common?
Not really.
You think it's from like salt from like Tennessee?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I was about to say it gotta be that. 'Cause I don't even think. Well, this side too, a little bit. It's not as bad though.
Miata kind of nice, bro.
Oh yeah. Why you stroking that shit like that, bro?
Nigga, you next.
Yeah, hell nah.
My hands around your fucking neck and start yanking and shit.
Okay. Fucking transmission got like fucking like serial number or some shit.
It's a God brace, bro. Don't ever worry about trans falling out. Mount go out, you got a brace.
True.
From the front of the car to the back.
Shit is a disc brake / trans.
Mm-hmm. I saw that jump, bro. That jump go here all the way over there.
Alright, I think we should start it now.
Yeah, with no oil?
Yes.
Shit, this shit already got fucking, what's it called? Lifter tick.
That's every Miata ever.
Yeah, every Miata has lifter tick. Like, you're never getting past that. The diesel oil, like, lifter tick.
Nah, diesel oil's gonna clean this shit up. That's literally the one reason why I got that.
Just only 1540.
Bro, heat soak.
This is a diesel truck.
My nigga, it's all for heat soak in summertime, bro. I normally run 1040. God damn, bro, this shit low.
Yeah, that's gonna keep on popping, bro.
Look. That's how you, when you get done pissing, that's how you gotta shake it off, bro. You gotta...
Yeah, it looked like that junk going up. So I guess I'll hold it. And you could,
This on 5.
yeah, alright, you gonna be over there with Gramps. Hey, well, yeah, I guess.
I need exactly 4 quarts is what that nigga said.
I believe.
Hold on. Lubrication. Engine motor. 10W30. Bro, they's not playing boots on the ground in here, bro. That's crazy.
Hey, that's Grant's music, bro. Just
I think I died.
nah, because it's not even that heavy. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it'll make your brain work a little bit better.
That shit would kill me. I'd be talking like, ah! Like,
Yeah.
what's wrong, Matt? He hurt me. Lewis hurt me.
Yeah.
Matt, what? Look. What's wrong? He hurt me.
Yo, you're nah, that's crazy.
What
Hell
did he
no.
do? He put the hood on my hood. Oh shit.
Nah, bro, you too good with that. What's going on, bro? You got
I got what? Say it. Say it.
you got something. Nah, you say it because you already got a lot to say.
I got
Like, you kind of got the whole situation like nigga just like Kobe the fucking.
I made that.
I don't even see that. That shit probably fell like. Yeah, I knew it. It fell over there inside
Stop looking at it.
whatchamacallit. Alright.
I
Now,
need a break. I need a break.
nah. Hell
You
no.
gotta slam, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, you gotta slam that shit.
For real?
Yes.
No. Oh, never
Yes,
mind.
bro. You gotta slam that.
God damn.
Nigga, watch out, bro. Watch out. Yo, little weak ass finger.
Hey, bro, I got a camera in my hand.
Little lesbian fingers. I'm fucked up my hood.
Bro, you drive a Miata, bro.
Huh?
You drive a Miata.
No, that's gay, not lesbian. Lesbians drive Subarus. Fuck, nigga.
All right.
Yeah, hey, can you hand me that rag?
The rag?
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Yep. All right, let's. Yep.
Huh?
That's.
Nigga, it's like shit. Shit was boo-booing itself.
Hell yeah.
Long ass third tier.
Yeah. No. Well, no, I smell it. I'm about to say I don't smell
No,
oil.
you're gonna, bro. That might be the shit that I rubbed on the exhaust.
I mean, it's not as bad now, though.
I don't know. It's gonna be. Just give it time. Give it time to thin out.
Yeah.
I go that way, right?
Yeah, you can make it right.
Damn, my fajitas.
Hungry ass.
Bro, I'll stay hungry. Nigga, what?
Nigga Penn. Oh yeah, he about to go over there with Seminole.